Hey y'all, we are at the lake and we're here at the Veterans Park, and we tried to come yesterday, but there was, let's just say, shenanigans happening here at the park, and it was real crowded because it's the 4th of July, and yeah, you know, we'll probably catch a big one today because I haven't been able to, I don't know what I did with my scale. Yeah, I don't know where my scale is. So most likely we'll catch our PB, so let's go. And I'd be happy to do it with you, but I do have this measuring tape that I shall measure with. All right. So, little baby Chompy is over here at the Smollett Lake that I lovingly named it, here at the Veterans Memorial Park. And this is the main area. It goes all the way around. Boop. It's quite large. Connects into a big saltwater area. Brackish. All this water's brackish. Cool thing is you can find any kind of fish you're looking for. You name it, it's here. Redfish, bluefish, yellowfish. No, the snooks, the redfish, the tarpon. I've caught all kinds, guys. And today we ain't gonna be swimming, y'all. My doggies are at home because they're gator bait. It says no animals in the park because, you know, gator bait. We're gonna go here on the bridge real quick over to this pavilion, and I'm gonna show you guys the baits we're gonna use today in our 4th of July extravaganza. Try not to be too loud. Ooh, water's low. I haven't been back since mating season. I was here yesterday, of course, trying to get some filming done, but that was no fun. I mean, it was fun. I always have fun fishing, but we didn't catch nothing. So, what are you gonna do? So here we go. We're on foot, we're on the move. Day 2 of the July 4th, which is, this is the actual day. So here we go. Whoop. All right. We have the red spinner bait. Red is for the blood. See the flag over there across the lake? It's got a soldier. It's a cool painting. I'll get you a better look at it. But the red, that's for the blood. And then we have the white. Red, white, that's how they say it, so that's how we'll do it. It's all tangled up. The red, now the white. We have our drop shot white little fluke. The white is purity. The purity came from those who had what the next color's for, the blue, the courage to make those sacrifices, those blood sacrifices, those blood related relationships that got messed up, the blood, sweat, and tears of hard-working Americans fighting for independence, justice, hope, peace. America! Woo! I get fired up. Sorry, I'm a child of the 80s, man. Everything was really good till Desert Storm. But even then, you know, I had a really great childhood, and I love America. So, all the soldiers, thank you for your service. And we also have some other red, white, and blue baits in our little variety bag here. We got cotton cordell, red, white, and blue rattler. We got a red, white, and blue jerkbait. We got a frog, swimming frog, square bill. We got a bluegill, little swim bait here, and we got a blue little flippin' jig. So mainly we're just gonna have some fun. I think I overdid it on the bait selection, but we are in the spirit of 4th of July. So here we go, and we're gonna walk over to our little spot right here. Just wanted to show you the nice view of the Veterans Memorial buildings over yonder behind that painting. And I know GoPro doesn't do a great job of zooming in, but Ali G's working on things. Y'all hit me up with some subs and some likes and we'll get this thing rolling. I got all the way to 200. You know, would have been cooler to get like the number of subscribers as the number of years America's been in independence and all that, but I was off by about 100 or so, less. But hey, it's the thought that counts. So hey y'all, we got 200 and we're working on it. And if y'all like what you see, go check out some videos. You like alligators and wild birds, water birds, I got it all. So hit me up on the YouTube anytime. I'm there for you. Ooh, we got a baby turtle. Let's see. I just don't want to see no more baby gators. Huh? No more baby gators. Right? It is hot tamale. I was going to set up my secondary camera, but I've just realized that I forgot my phone in the car. So, red. We'll go with red. For the red, white, and blue. 'Cause you're a grand old flag. You're a high-flying flag. And forever, for freedom, may you wave. Now, I don't know the actual words. I know some of it, but that was the best I had, you guys. So we're microing it. We got our red spinnerbait, 1/4 ounce, Pond Magic, and that's a big old turtle, something tilapia, freak fish, who knows what that is. I didn't put a trailer on the spinnerbait because it's, you know, it's like at the max of what this rod is rated for, and I like to go heavy sometimes, other times, but in this scenario it's the micro, and I feel like, you know, I want to stick to the rules with this because I'm totally new, and I'd love for a little something, mostly a bass. I've been catching mine cichlids for like a week. Done with those guys. I mean, I like them. I love them. Whoa, rainbow! Did y'all see that? It was like a firecracker. Okay, y'all, don't laugh. This is a heavy bait, and I just tried to cast it into oblivion. Ooh, something just went by. Oh, we got some followers. That's a good sign. That was like 4 followers. And there's that big old turtle. Woo! Stay away from my spinnerbait turtle. I've caught some turtles. Y'all can see me catch turtles on my channel. Woo! You can, I promise you. Oh, yeah, see, it just ain't gonna happen. Let's try to give it not so much juice. Let's try to just not be so hulkish. Okay, all right. That was, you know, a 4 out of 10 instead of a 0. I think it's the turtle. Oh, I tried to throw it too hard again. But, I'm scared of this side because that turtle is big. Ooh, look at all those bait fish. Watch me catch a cichlid or something. Red might be a little crazy for this pond right now. Usually this pond is so dark. I guess in the summertime, you know, the grass is, you know, oh, there's Chompy, 12 o'clock, right there. It just makes me think it's protecting babies. Because that's what Mama Chompies do. Maybe we'll just take a short walk down this way. I catch them here a lot. So does Chompy, I'm sure. Ooh, I saw a big flash. Darn, bro. Oh no, that was a no-go. I got no love for the cattails. They take all my baits. I know y'all can tell. I don't like them. Not one bit. That looks just like a snake did. Woo! Florida's no joke. But we do have them big old fish, so y'all, let's hope I catch one on my macro ride. Oh man, he's showing himself. Oh, here I go again. What's my weakness? Wind. Well, you know, we got a little bit of flow coming this way. Spinner bait might just be a little loud. We got our red on. We ready. We ready to draw some blood of the bass lips. And then they can go home to their bass friends and do their bass things that they do. Which I'm learning a lot more about patterns. I always just kind of looked at what was going on around me, like weather patterns and things and conditions, but I really am like learning more about how the fish react to those patterns, I think. And I think as an angler, something you got to do, you gotta challenge yourself, you know, go beyond what you're comfortable with. I've been seeing a lot of people do that lately that I admire. People I watch on YouTube, you know, just trying new things and not doing the same thing, and just like, that's what I like to do. All kinds of things. Jack of all trades. And we can do that here in America because of our independence here on the 4th of July. America. Oh yeah. Rah. There we go. That was a pitch. All right, we lost eyes on Chompy, which is not great. We were cutting up. When he's like a mastermind at camouflage, because when he's close up to the cattails, you know, the cattails look dead at the bottom, that brownish, and how the water's all calm. He's the same color as that water that's all calm, and the side of him has those markings of brown looking areas. And I'll tell you what, y'all, you cannot see him. And then if that's not the case and he's not hugged up on one of these shores, you know, these ripples in the water, he keeps his head just the right angle and you can't see him. So we are gonna just, you know, keep our eyes peeled. Whoa. I saw a fish swirl and I decided to strike. Oh, dang it. What happened? What happened, Mikey? It's not fouled. Let's try it. Let's try it. Okay, yeah. Got it past the swirlage. And that sun is hot, so we know the GoPro has to take a break. Here in the Florida, GoPro don't stay on very long. I'm learning this. Very new to GoProing. My very first action camera. And I got an older model, so you know, who knows. They probably solved the issue I have 2 versions ago. Yeah. But who knows. Alright, well, we don't see Chompy. But we know he's around. I just burned this thing. No. Huh. So, summertime, fish are 2 places. Woo! Really deep or isolated events in the shallows. So you fish the shallow, you'll catch them. Oh boy. But you just won't catch them as often. Now I gotta be really careful here because I see several bait balls. And that might be what Chompy's after. You know. There's lots of mullet in here. And it affects stuff. Keeps the bass big, but secret's out. We've been seeing some shenanigans, we'll just say, here at the Veterans. Oh, I like to keep to my own. All right, so let's catch a big one. Come on now. I'm gonna give this spinner bait a couple more throws right along these grassy edges. Look so sick. But I'll tell you what, the tall grass is not easy, but you know, the tall grass here, I'll take this tall grass any day, y'all. Any day. Okay, so a couple more casts with the red, and we're gonna move on to the blue and then the white, and then if we're totally unsuccessful, we are going to move on completely. And we got no love on the red head, but you know, we got more spots for the red to try out his magic. Oh, his pond magic. And we got a big old gator. He likes to hang out. We're not gonna throw one because it's nice to walk down. My grandpa always taught me. Oh, my grandpa, I gotta tell y'all a story about him, but my grandpa always told me that you walk down a little ways, fish for a little while. Sometimes the fish will reset, you know? And you can try a different method. So that's what we're doing. We are gonna try a different method. We're gonna go red, white with a drop shot here. Oh, wow. I got a little crazy in there. I thought it would be a little quieter with the airplanes since it's 4th of July, but no such luck. And this one has got something to say. So we will see. Hey y'all. I guess so GoPro got hot over here like Ali G, but I saved my bait from the demon cattail. Chompy's 12 o'clock, and I'm just gonna try I got my fluke. All right, see, all things work together for good. Got my fluke back, got my tungsten, because she works hard for the tungsten. Work hard for everything, just like everybody does. And so I got my independence from that there cattail. Dad joke. All right, so we're going to reload our little bait, and yeah, I'm gonna let you cool off for a moment. Chompy's not facing us. He's right there. Right there. So we are going to, we got bite, the GoPro died, we got several bites on the fluke, but no actual fish. But we're gonna try the lizard in this spot, the red, white, and blue. Hopefully get one, we can call it a win. All right, y'all cool off, and I'll see you in a minute. All right, well, ain't getting nothing on, no bites or no action for the spinner, the red. We got a lot of bites from tiny fish on the little fluke, and then we lost it to a demon cattail. I got it back, I put it back in the water, and I realized I wasn't recording. So there you go, we're on blue. Bear with us, we're having fun in the hot sun. It's true, the day is great, and the feels like is 108. Oh man, that is tough. Woo! Oh, there's a fish. What kind of fish was that? Getting active. Huh. My luck, it's a baby alligator like last time, but could be why Mama's circling me. Got some grass in my hair from the bait retrieval, which was a success because all things work together for good, and I got my stuff back. No harm, no foul. Whoa, kerplunk. Oh, huh. Oh, there's a bait ball just right there. I'm gonna go down on my tungsten a little bit, because I had this weight when I was fishing a different location, and there's like 6-foot hydrilla mats or something. It's crazy, but this is real shallow here. All right, we'll see how the blue does. Second cast. We're seeing a huge bait ball right there. That's probably what Chompy over there is after. Munching on bait balls. There's Chompy's making his turn. Looks like he's swimming away. At least that's what he wants you to think, but he's been doing circles now the last 30 minutes I've been here, and he gets closer every time he surfaces. It's definitely either this is his hunting ground or he's just curious about what I'm doing. And that's what the bass are doing, man. Especially in the hot sun. They find the cover, they find the bait balls, and they just eat upward. That's why topwater, I think, works so great. Frogs work so great, I think. Same reason. One of them, there's many reasons, guys. I mean, fishing is all, you know, it's opinions and experience, so they change. And everybody's got one, like elbows. So that's why I love it. I love fishing. Y'all got opinions, you think I'm wrong, let me know. I mean, all I do is go out fishing. I don't use equipment or electronic, whatever. Because that's not how I was brought up. And I ain't got no money for that right now, yet. Hey, I got my kid in private school, so that's where all my money goes. He's a very smart kid. And he needs a lot of opportunity. I'm happy to have a very smart son, well behaved most of the time, and that makes me proud. Well, I've been having a really good time, you guys, but I'm not having any luck hearing fish. I ain't catching fish. So that's where I'm at. What you got? Oh, that's cool. What up? Yeah, now that's a cool plane. There's some really neat ones that come through. That was a nice yellow. I've seen that yellow one, and then I've seen a really cool, like, old-timey red one that comes along. But that, ooh, look at him turn, woo! He's getting fancy for us now. Yep. Fun times at the Veterans Lake. No takers, huh? You never know what happens when you're away for so long. Let's see, April, like the end of April, May, and June is almost, you know, like 3 months. I mean, I know what works in here, what will catch fish, but I just trying to do us a theme, you guys. The fish are not cooperating. Come on, guys, come on. Work with me. Come on. The minnows like it, the turtles like it. Old Chompy seen it. He said it was alright. Now you should bite it. Bite it. Alright, well, let's do one more cast in the muck. And just head to the next spot. Like I was saying earlier, you know, when you target the shallows, you could catch them. But they're isolated events, you know, it's never a guarantee. It's just if it's like an opportunity hunt, you know, it's like foraging for berries and then you happen to see a giant moose and you're like, yay, you know, and you're prepared, kind of thing. I don't know, I've been watching too much survival stuff. I like that show Alone, and I just like binged a whole season. Everybody comment below who likes Alone. I love that show. Gosh. So cool to watch the people transform. You know, once they... It reminds me of the scene from The Never-Ending Story, right? Where one of the challenges is to look at yourself. Really, you know, to face your own self. And I think that that's significant on that show, you know. A lot of people are doing just fine, but they don't stay because their mental is not right, and they're thinking about things, and they're fasting, and they're, you know, becoming one with, you know, less distraction. And I thought I might get lucky if I keep going by this bait ball, but seems like I just get grass. Let's try one straight out. And then we'll go. You're probably overheated anyway. Last cast, GoPro. Are you still there? Yes? I guess I could take it off my head and check, but I'll wait till I reel in this cast, y'all. Because we got no love over here at the Veterans, y'all. What's up with that? Alright, well, yay! We're still here. Thank goodness. Well, that was another 15 minutes with the blue, and no bites, no takers, and all I saw was an alligator. So, we're gonna head out. I need to go write a song. I'm like rhyming all the time. I haven't written a song in a while. So anyhow, see you guys at the next spot. Peace.